To log into Xiaomi account on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and here click on the Xiaomi account. That way we'll be able to sign into our account by entering our email address, phone number or Xiaomi account name, and you can then enter the password. Make sure to accept that I've read the agreed to Xiaomi account user agreement and privacy policy. Then you can sign in. There's also other options to log in, like sign in with Google. That means you can use your Google account to log into Xiaomi. You can create your account right here if you don't have it. If you forgot the password, click on forgot the password, or sign in with verification code that will be sent to either your email address or your phone. And lastly, you can log in using Facebook. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.